It is not about supporting who is not supporting government, but it is at the start the government could have stopped the violence. That is what. That is why the government is responsible for that.
তারপর আপনারা বলছেন যে ওই বনাধিকার থেকে উচ্ছেদ করতে যদি উচ্ছেদ করে গভর্নমেন্ট কি এখন একটা প্ল্যান আপনাদের কি মনে হয় কোনো উদ্দেশ্যমূলকভাবে বনাধিকার থেকে উচ্ছেদ করতে গিয়ে মণিপুরের লোকেদের
অর্থাৎ প্রাইমারের মানে তার যে সামাজিক গণধিকার দীর্ঘদিন ধরে এটা ভোগ করে আসছে, অর্থাৎ এভিকশন করারও একটা নির্দিষ্ট প্রক্রিয়া আছে। এই প্রক্রিয়াকে অমান্য করে কম সময়ের মধ্যে, ঠিক আছে, কম সময়ের মধ্যে এরকম অনারোগ্য উচ্ছেদটা আমরা এটা সাপোর্ট করতে পারছি।
The incident that took place in Manipur, as we are all aware. So as a brother and as a northeastern state, today we call for a peace in Manipur, jointly which is organized by the chairman of the Tripura. See, we know that the people, both the Kukis, Meiteis and the Nagas have been living peacefully in Manipur. So we appeal to the people living in Manipur, all the tribes, to bring that peace and harmony back again to their state. This is not a peaceful manner where we, the people living in Northeast, what we love. What we love is we love to live in peaceful manner. So this incident has brought to the people of Northeast a great concern for each one of us. It really shocked us by these clashes among the Manipuri and the Kukis. So we appeal to the people to have peace and harmony, to bring back again. And also we ask the government, and we feel that this is totally the failure of the state government of Manipur, the administration, as well as the failure of the central government to protect the people. This is totally a serious matter. So at this juncture, the government, the administration should look how can this peace be restored. What are the steps, what are the ways forward to bring and to solve an amicable solution for the people. Let there be a dialogue between the different communities in Manipur. That is what how can this resolve it without any effects to any community. That is why we have called for this press meet and also as well as for the to be peace in Manipur. We call for peace in Manipur as well as we pray that so many casualties have taken place in Manipur. So we pray for them also. And also the government should compensate the victims who have been suffering. There is lots of irreparable losses, life of many people in Manipur, many innocent people have lost. So for that the government should compensate them, should rehabilitate them in a manner where there will not be any effect on border communities. So we also would like to appeal to the universities and colleges that at this juncture, let there be no examination, let there be postponement of examination in university if there will be because since most of the students are only back from the state of Manipur. So we appeal the dean of college, universities to postpone the exam until the normalcy has been back to the Manipur state. So thank you. I would like to hand over the time to our General Secretary of Tripura Manipuri Students Youth Coordination Committee, Federation TSF, and the Tripura Manipuri Students Youth Coordination Committee, and the Tripura Jharkhandi Samaj Unnayan Committee. So before we begin our press meet, we first have a short introduction. So myself, John Nobarni, the General Secretary of TSF. So we have the General Secretary of Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee, Mr. Binod Singha.
Myself, Dr. Virendra Shiva, and